Hi YouTube friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lee. This channel is mainly about second-hand vintage fashion. I love to share information about high quality clothing and how to get them on budget. Now, if you are looking for a high quality camel coat, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to share you my secret, how I found high quality camel coat. I mean 100% pure camel hair coat. Nowadays, when you are thinking about a camel hair coat, which brand's name comes into your head? Max Mara, am I right? Because it's so popular. But on the market, there are still other brands make camel hair coat, like this one. It's Jaeger. It's a British brand, and it's established 67 years earlier than Max Mara. Max Mara was founded in 1951. Jaeger was founded in 1884, in 19th century. Camel hair coat is considered as Jaeger's invention. Jaeger is considered the first fashion brand popularized the camel hair coat. Jaeger was founded by Lewis Tomali, who was inspired by a German doctor and scientist who valued of wearing animal fibers. This is where the brand's name from. Jaeger has a reputation of using high quality natural fibers like camel hair and cashmere. This is another vintage Jaeger coat. This one is made of 100% cashmere. If you are looking for a high quality camel hair coat, I would suggest you to look on the second-hand market, find a vintage Jaeger camel hair coat. If you're looking for a vintage Jaeger camel coat, check the brand tag, this old style brand tag, and here saying made in Great Britain. And then check the material tag here. Look, here says 100% camel hair, and lining 69% acetate, 31% viscose. So its lining is breathable. Look at the beautiful camel hair. It's so soft and so warm. And the lining is so shiny and beautiful with brand name everywhere. This one I found on eBay and I paid only no more than £60 compared to the new Max Mara coat, which costs a fortune, which is £2,500. But with £60, I have the same luxury pure camel hair coat. If you find the camel hair coat or cashmere coat, but there is tiny holes, don't worry, you can repair it. I have made a video about how to repair holes on a camel hair coat. I will link the video down below. Please check it out. So thank you for your watching, and until my next video, bye bye, take care.